forward to the next heart champion is Nitish Funny Ji, Joyful Hearts. Nitish Ji, congratulations. And you have achieved normal BP. You have reduced some medicine also. Inner peace and resilience. Wonderful, right? Now, let me check if Nitin Ji is here. Yes, I can see you. I'm adding you to the spotlight. Yes, Nitish Ji, congratulations. You can unmute and
Thank
let us
you.
know about your
Namaste.
journey. यस नीतीश जी बताइए
Yes,
आपको क्या
Neha
बुलाऊं मैं.
ji. Neha ji, good evening. Good evening to everyone. Actually, on the Mahashivratri, suddenly it was my off day, and I was there live, and I saw these presentations about the Happy Heart journey was going on. So I was very much impressed, and I joined on that, and I can feel the change now. When I
Wow.
joined on that time, I checked my BP was 150 by 94.
Mhm.
And just day before yesterday, I did that checkup and I found it is 130 by 80.
Wow.
And doctor reduced my medicine also immediately. And there is 3, 4 tests also he gave it. And after get the results, maybe another 2, 3 medicine. I am having the cholesterol. I don't have sugar. I
Mhm.
have the high BP and cholesterol problem was there and thyroid. So thyroid will be continue maybe, but that cholesterol medicine also doctor says that it will be stopped and one multivitamin. So I'll be having only 2 medicine now. Another very thank
Congratulations.
you, thank you.
Congratulations. Because see, doctor will never ask us to reduce. Okay. तो ये आपको डॉक्टर ने बोला है तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. Congratulations, Sunny ji. Yes, please, please
Thank you.
continue.
And that emotional state, obviously, that let go, that let do the things is there, that lots of motivation is give us when you are not panicking with every mistake. Because I'm working in hotel industry, I'm as a chef of Taj. So
Yes.
obviously they're working under lots of pressures every time, lots of VVIPs and lots of process and all under the pressure, the situations. So easily people got irritated and try to be react on that. So that is I control myself a huge way. Last 2 months, you can say that I can control my emotions a very stronger way, and I found myself that lots of relaxed now. I'm not that much of tense of every situations, and I handle the situations very quietly and calmly also. So
Wow.
it is a great emotional improvement also I found in myself. And let them obviously it is a
Let
great
them.
great mantra you
करने
taught
दो
us.
जिसको जो करना
And
है.
so all micromanagement I stop it, and I think it is improved that slowly it will improve that my team morale also, because
Wow.
always behind them and try to get everything 100%. It is a challenge, but yeah, it is not possible. And try to behind them and rule and make it happen. It is better to give them responsibilities than try to get out from them the things what is required by the company. So these all positive improvements, and obviously I'll continue on that. But due to my very tough schedule, the evening sessions is very difficult. Most of time you have seen I'm in chef office and in the chef to
Yes.
attend this to on the cameras is a bit difficult for me
But you're
because lots of
still
people.
attending and you're still
uh,
doing. I don't know
uh,
anybody who's giving any excuse. If Nitish ji being a chef and that too in a hotel Taj and he's having such a stressful job, if he is able to do it, what is your excuse? Right? I don't think anybody should give excuse after this. Okay. Yes, Nitish ji, what is your one advice to everyone out
yeah,
there?
that's mantra I told you just now. Let them. So if
Hmm.
you relaxed, your 50% problem will be solved. So not to be irritated with everything. So it will give impact on me. And obviously every day is doing that morning sessions, pranayams and yoga also as much as possible for everyone can continue with that. And trust on yourself. It is very important.
Absolutely,
Thank you.
absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Nitish
you.
ji. And how did you
Thank you.
manage to attend the meditation sessions?
Uh, so that's the case. And generally, it is on Tuesday evening. I keep my team in such a way, and I keep all my appointment and try to mix it. make it the 1 hour time exclusively should be there in the office, and I keep my shoe chefs and others also outside that they can handle if any sudden hiccup comes. So try to manage on that way, ups and downs it is going on. But anyhow, I try to manage so far it is possible. So I believe it can be continued. No issue.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Nitish. You have
Thank you.
not just inspired
Thank you.
others, you have inspired me also that even after having something like that, we can still continue on our health journey. We just cannot give it कि भाई हम छोड़ दे ऐसे ही हमारा जॉब ऐसा है वैसा है तो हम ऐसे ही छोड़ दे नहीं हम करेंगे तो करेंगे right. So thank you
Thank you.
so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Everyone, I would want every one of you to please unmute, allowing every one of you to unmute. Please congratulate Nitish ji.
Congratulations, Nitish ji.
Congratulations, Nitish.
Congratulations, Niti ji.
Congratulations, many, many
Congratulations.
congratulations.
Sir, where are you from? Sir? Where are you from?
Real sport.
You're on mute, Nitish ji.
Congratulations, Nitish ji.
Yeah. Thank you. I am born and brought up in Calcutta, but at present I am settled in Nasik, Maharashtra. And I am on leave now few days. So just today I visited Shirdi also, and after afternoon 3:30 I reached home, and prepare myself for this. And yeah, with good news what I heard after visit of Shirdi.
Very good. Thank you for
Thank
attending
you.
this
Thank you.
and addressing
Thank
every
you.
one of us. So, congratulations to you once again.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.